Adobe made a decision that most companies avoid at all costs. It intentionally disrupted the product that made it famous. For years, Adobe dominated the creative software market. Products like Photoshop were sold as one-time purchases. Buy once, install, and use for as long as you wanted. From the outside, the business looked solid. Internally, the numbers told a different story. Revenue depended on slow upgrade cycles. Piracy kept growing, and long-term forecasting became unreliable. Each new version required massive launches just to convince existing users to pay again. Innovation slowed because the business model rewarded waiting, not improvement. In 2013, Adobe removed the option to buy its software outright. Everything moved to a monthly subscription. Customers reacted immediately. Complaints increased. Cancellations followed. At that point, reversing the decision would have been easy. Adobe didn't. The company accepted short-term pain to fix a structural problem. The subscription model changed the relationship with users. Updates became continuous. Piracy dropped. Revenue became predictable. Planning shifted from releases to long-term product evolution. Over time, Adobe's revenue and market value grew significantly. The risk paid off. Business models don't fail suddenly. They fail when companies refuse to change them early.